Today we're looking at part number K71-038. This is your trailer hub oil cap with the plug and O-ring that fits the 5,200 pound axles, 6K, 7K, and 8K axles with the screw-in hubs. Typically found with oil bath lubrication, but you can use grease with these guys. Okay? It's 2 7/8 with a 12-inch thread pitch, and you can use these on Rockwell American axles, Carter axles, Dexter axles, Lippert axles, just about any brand axle out there that has the oil bath caps on there. Ours comes with the rubber plug that you can take off so you can easily put oil in there. Then it comes with the O-ring as well. And I'll just show you the measurements. So if you're measuring from thread to thread, it's going to be 2.84. Or the inner diameter is going to be 2.36. Pretty standard right here. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.